In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the permissions to add and remove members from a Trello board. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting that controls who can invite new people to your board and who can remove them, so you can keep access tight or make collaboration easier depending on your needs. Start by heading to your Trello boards page. This is the dashboard that shows all the boards you have access to in your current workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace for the board you want to manage, especially if you're part of multiple teams. This is a board level setting, so you'll want to open the specific board where you want to change permissions. Open the board you want to adjust. Once you're on the board, look toward the top right of the screen for the three dots, which open the board's options menu. This menu is where Trello groups the board level tools and configuration settings you'll use to control how the board behaves. Click into the three-dot menu, then choose Settings. The Settings area gathers important options that affect who can see and manage your board. You'll see a section called Adding and Removing Members. Click that. This is the control that decides whether only admins can manage board membership or whether any member of the board can do it. Now you'll see two choices. If you select admins, only board admins can add people to the board or remove them. This is the best choice if your board handles sensitive work, if you need tighter change control, or if external collaborators are involved. Limiting the ability to add and remove people helps maintain a clear audit trail and prevents accidental access. If you select all members, any member of the board can invite others and remove members. This can be convenient for fast-moving teams that need flexibility, like when multiple people are onboarding collaborators or rotating participants onto a project. Just keep in mind that broader access makes it easier for membership to change quickly, so use this when your team is aligned on who should be in the room. Trello saves this change automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to confirm. A couple of quick tips. You'll need to be a board admin to see and change this control. If you don't see the option, ask an admin to update it for you. After switching the setting, consider letting your team know which approach you chose, so they understand who is responsible for invites and removals. That's it. Navigate to your board, open Settings, choose Adding and Removing Members, and pick Admins or All Members to match your governance needs.